filmography, एक फिल्म है जहाँ पे उनकी लव इंटरेस्ट श्रेया पिलगांवकर रह चुकी हैं, and he shook my hand and he said, "Mashallah, so beautiful." The reason why some stars are because they're also still students. The most special memory is dancing on Chaya Chaya with him. I mean, these are memories that are going to be for a lifetime.
He smells good.
Oh, so good. Bhuvan has such a special place in my heart, and he is genuinely so inspiring. He loves his fans and respects them so much, and he doesn't take his fandom for granted.
With chemistry with people.
Well, I don't have to lie this time. Shreya is protective of Bhuvan, you know, it's like that.
आज की ताजा खबर श्रेया पिलगांवकर इन द हाउस। लिसन, मैंने जल्दी से इंट्रो किया है बिकॉज आई कांट वेट टू स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन। इतने टाइम से हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं टू सिट टुगेदर फॉर यू टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द सुपर वुमनिया शो। आई एम ग्लैड टुडे इज द डे।
Thank you for having me. देर आए पर दुरुस्त आए, and I'm here now.
You had a happy, protected child. What was the reaction like? I'm sure they were encouraging, but was there some special advice that you were given?
I think for my parents, the most important guidance they gave me was being grounded emotionally when you're navigating showbiz. उन्होंने कभी बातों से एडवाइस नहीं दी, अपने एक्शन से एडवाइस दी है. The grace with which they've handled themselves. कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. बड़ों से भी सीखो, छोटों से भी सीखो. And also somewhere, this is something that I still do, which is not attach my self-worth to the outcome of my work.
अभी हम will take a moment and we'll talk about someone क्योंकि आपने fan की बात की and you've spoken about the amazing time you had with Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
Okay, consider me a fan.
Yes, of course. Who isn't? Who isn't?
So please talk to us about Shah Rukh Khan and how was it I mean, excuse me, you have worked with the Khan.
In his filmography,
Yeah.
एक फिल्म है जहाँ पे उनकी लव इंटरेस्ट श्रेया पिलगांवकर रह चुकी हैं. यही
What a
फैक्ट
flex,
मेरे लिए,
man.
यही फैक्ट मेरे लिए. You know, on some days it feels surreal if a picture of us pops up on you know, my phone gallery. Like, wow, this happened. And you know, interestingly, I was ADing on a short film directed by Megha Ramaswamy, who's a wonderful director.
Oh, I love Megha.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course, you know Megha. So I was a AD and we were at BioRef, and तभी acting मतलब शुरुआत भी नहीं हुई थी. I was making short films and stuff. So go down में लेके, you know, I was roughing it out. ऐसे 4 bags. I was sweaty, and suddenly I come out to where she is, and she's talking to Shah Rukh sir. And then obviously it's him, and I want to say hi. I go and I'm like, should I go? Look how I'm looking. You know, it was weird. I went and she introduced me and he shook my hand and he said, "Mashallah, so beautiful." And I said, "Abhi Shah Rukh ne bola beautiful to beautiful."
बस अब
किसी का validation ही नहीं चाहिए.
उसके बाद शीशा देखना छोड़ दिया श्रेया ने.
Oh my God. And cut to when I met him on the set of Fan, I understood what people speak about him in the sense that I saw SRK, the person. I saw him in action. And it's beautiful to see the person behind the star because that's what you're really curious about.
A lot of people keep saying that he's so giving as a
Oh my
co-star.
gosh, yeah.
You know, he understands the fact that filmmaking is a team project and it's not just about him and his role.
Yeah.
ये आपने भी experience किया?
You know, the reason why some stars are because they're also still students. And I see that even in my father. सीखना बंद नहीं किया है. And it's wonderful because, you know, he has this really calming aura on set, so attentive, so involved, and also for a minute you forget. Like I remember when I was working with him, I was like looking at him as that character, and I think that's credit to his being. Some of my fondest memories are actually between takes. Because when we would have to calm down the colony that was screaming his name, where we couldn't really hear each other, him and I would sit in a car and discuss books, discuss philosophy, just chat like friends. मैं सामने बैठी हूँ, वो पीछे बैठे हैं, and I'm looking back and we're chatting. I mean, what a beautiful memory. The most special memory is dancing on Chaya Chaya with him. I mean, these are memories that are going to be for a lifetime. And he's just so solid. And the rest, I mean, everything is true. The charm, the wit,
He
the
smells
fire.
good.
Oh, so good. I'm sure you've met him.
met him many times and then don't want to let go. And I'm like, how do I not be a stalker and
But
interview him?
isn't it amazing the reason why so many of us here, even after so many years, will never tire of
Yeah,
speaking about him is also because how he's as a person. And this is where I think legacy is not just how you are on screen, legacy is how you are even off screen.
Yeah.
And that is so important, right?
I love how the Superwomania show has turned into two women gushing
Oh.
about Shah Rukh Khan.
I never tire of answering this question because he truly is very sweet.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
very kind. Yeah.
Okay, now Shreya.
Also, wait. The
please.
funny part is that my only complaint during fan was that his character, Gaurav, had a crush on Neha, my character, and I friend zoned him. I
ये
mean,
जो
the
गलती आपने
fact
कर दी
that
है.
I had to friend zone Shahrukh.
Did you tell him that you're like, Shah Rukh, this is unreal, I
I
don't
remember
think this
telling him that, so I wish we had a song and that didn't have to friend zone you. कभी और
We totally get it. Okay. You know, आपके अपने एक co-star शाहरुख की बात की, अब हम भुवन की बात करेंगे. Because your chemistry with him is also being appreciated and, you know, people love it. How is he like to work with?
Oh, Bhuvan has such a special place in my heart, and he is genuinely so inspiring for what he's been able to create with his team. To have produced a show,
Yeah.
taking that creative
Yeah.
control, and what a right direction to start his journey on, because not everyone's going to be comfortable playing a Shauchalay manager,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So he has a very broad perspective on things. He has a great sense of storytelling, of music, and he's surrounded by the right people.
How's his energy like? Is he
He's
all
shy. So let me tell you, it's so fun to even compliment Bhuvan or to trouble him. If you
blushes?
want to make him uncomfortable, just say something nice to him because he is so shy. He loves his fans and respects them so much, and he doesn't take his fandom for granted. In fact, मेरे जो भी shows हैं, you know, more than the plot, people have spoken about Good to Sweetie.
Yeah,
They've
yeah.
spoken about Deepak and Kashaf in
Yeah,
Beauty Minds. They've
yeah.
spoken about Vasya and Madhu. And I enjoy those moments because the larger plot of the work I have done may not give me too much scope.
Yeah.
तो इसीलिए, and a special memory from season 1 is कि have you watched season 1?
Yeah.
वो जो गाना है जहाँ पे वो वस्या मधु को ब्रॉथहेल से रेस्क्यू करता है और फिर हम मरीन ड्राइव पे वो घोड़ा गाड़ी पे होते हैं, एंड वो हम कर रहे थे सुबह के 3 बजे, सब कुछ कॉर्डन ऑफ था, एंड भुवन सेड ये मेरे लिए फुल सर्कल मोमेंट है, मुझे करना है.
yeah,
एंड आई लुक्ड एट हिम एंड आई सेड मैंने भी कभी मरीन ड्राइव पे शूट नहीं किया, इवन दो आई एम मुंबई चिमुलगी, एंड फॉर
But it's
बोथ
such
ऑफ
a-
अस
yeah.
it was a full circle moment of sharing that experience.
Yeah.
So in fact, I just FaceTimed him saying that, Bhuvan, even if I didn't know you, I would have been a fan and DM'd you saying you did such a kick-ass job in season 2. So I'm very proud of him. And in fact, like Madhu's protective of Vasya, Shreya is protective of Bhuvan, you know, it's like that.
You know, आपने chemistry की बात की on screen, special moments. अब हम जरा off screen आते हैं. ठीक. I like Shreya's like, हाँ, बोलिए.
Luckily
पूछिए.
मुझे झूठ बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, आप बोलिए ना, आप पूछिए.
तो कैसे चल रही है आपकी real life जिंदगी with chemistry with people?
Well, I don't have to lie this time, but I'm single. So if that's the kind of chemistry you're asking, that's not happening. But chemistry is in many forms, right?
So the 3 qualities that a guy must have.
Okay, I would say I find somebody who is emotionally intelligent very attractive.
बहुत demanding है
Someone
आप.
who is
आप जो communicate भी करे अब, हैं जो अपने emotions.
but होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. I've met people who are,
much,
you know,
Shreya.
I'm saying I'm starting with the most difficult quality.
High EQ.
High
imagine.
IQ. You know, I
What is the
love
other
it.
basic thing?
I will enjoy the smallest things, Tuti. Like for me, even
Little gestures.
no, I'm not talking about gifts and stuff. I mean something, the joy of even sharing a meal to me is very important, and I'm not somebody who needs very grand experience. I mean, I'd enjoy grand experiences, but I really enjoy like the little in-betweens of life. So I would say that somebody also who carries that lightness with him, and by that I mean that, well, there's going to be many tough days as well, you know, and
Yeah,
on
yeah,
those tough
yeah.
days, how are you navigating your life? Because a lot of people I notice carry a lot of heaviness in them, cribbing perpetually, and I'm not ever drawn to somebody who's going to drain you out. And the most important quality is actually somebody who's secure and who's going to champion you, and who's not going to think of them as like your success or growth as competition in any way. And these, I think, are very basic things, besides hygiene and kindness and values and all of that.
Shreya, I'm very fond of you.
Why?
Which is why I will break it to you.
Ki?
That these are 3 non-basic things.
I've been
They're
with people-
very tough to find.
But can I tell you
and all in
something?
one person is even...
Guess what? I've been with someone with these qualities, but who ended up being a cheater. So
Loyalty.
loyalty is the most
मैंने बोला था आपको कि basic.
Loyalty is the most important.
बहन आप कौन सी
और
दुखती
भी-
नफ्स पे हाथ रख रही
और भी बेसिक अगर आप जाए ना, और भी बेसिक
I love Shreya saying he had all these qualities but he wasn't loyal. Wow.
which later I found out.
Yeah.
So that's again an eye-opening thing, isn't it? Like
yeah.
that's also an eye-opening thing. So ये discussion में qualities and all is fun, but eventually you love a good connection, you love good chemistry with somebody, and वो आपकी खुद की instinct भी होती है, because very often I think as women we've seen the red flags but we've silenced them.
Yeah.
हम वो red flag pink देखते हैं, light pink देखते हैं, beige देखते हैं, but
एक
red
बहुत
नहीं
funny
देखते.
meme था कि हमने सारे red flags लेके सुन
I love that. Like you're seeing the red flag wave at you, but you're saying you're colorblind.
Yeah.
You're colorblind. But we're allowed one such experience.
नहीं daydreaming करें आप इसमें
One
क्या?
such experience is allowed. Yeah. But right now it's actually fun because I'm curious now.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really curious about it, and a lot of experiences that I've had in the past have been for cinematic value, I feel, because they've been such sort of romantic, beautiful experiences. So our stories, they are great, but they were not great later.
इसीलिए हम आपको superwoman या कह रहे हैं. And thank you for taking out the time.
Thank you
and
for having me. This was so much fun.